Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to all my grade 2 students. So here I am again for lecture 20. So let's start our new topic. Here are some multiplication and division facts. Can you see the multiplication equation 4 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 20? From this multiplication equation you can make two division sentence. Like the first equation, from multiplication equation you can make 20 total number divided into 5, which is in a group of 5, and equal to 4 groups. How many groups you will get? 4 groups. So the first equation which you have made is 20 divided into a group of 5. This is the first equation, and which is equal to 4. And the second equation is 20 when you are dividing into 4 equal groups. So 20 divided by 4, and which is equal to 5 in each group. So this is how you can make two division sentence from this one multiplication equation. This is how you will make a family of division and multiplication facts. You can call them a family of multiplication and division facts. So moving forward to do some workbook pages. Task for today. Class, we are doing chapter 4 dividing by 2, 5 and 10. And today we will do work from textbook from book 2A, page number 85 and 86. And from workbook book 2A, we will do page number 97 and 98. So first of all, we will do some work on book 2, and then we will move forward to do our workbook pages. Okay, so take out your book 2. So class, take out your textbook 2. The page which we are doing is page number 85. And the topic which we are doing is multiplication and division. Can you see this tray? In this tray, there are some buns. Can we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the question they have asked you that, class, how can we put the buns in equal groups? It means we have to do the division. They wanted us to divide them equally. Right, class? So let's start the question. Question 1. Let's learn. Put 10 buns in a group of 2. What does it mean? There are 10 buns in total, and we have to make a group of 2. By doing this, we will get to know that how many groups will be there. It's written that how many plates are there when we circle in a group of 2. So, can you see the plates? The buns are divided in a group of 2. So, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 plates. It means there are 5 groups. So, 10 is the total number. Class, 10 is the total number, and when we divide in a group of 2, we will get 5 plates. The groups will be 5. Coming to the table, when 10 comes in 2 table, 10 comes in 2 table, 5s are. So it is written here that 2 5s are 10. So just memorize the tables. You have to learn the tables on the daily basis. Let's make a multiplication equation. We get to know that there are 5 plates. Yes, class, there are 5 plates, and in each plate there are 2 buns. What does multiplication means? To add up the things. There are 5 plates, and when we multiply by 5 into 2 buns each, what will be the answer? 5 twos are 10. What will be the answer? Can you see this table? 5 twos are 10. So you have to write 10. So this is how, first of all, you have make a division sentence, and by that division sentence you have to make a multiplication equation. By doing this, remember that you have to memorize the table daily. So it is easy for you to solve these questions. Okay, moving to the next page. So class, on the previous page, we were doing an example. It's not complete yet. The remaining part is on page 86, which we are doing now. Okay. So in the previous page, what we have done? We have done that there are 10 buns in total. And when we are dividing in a group of 2, we will get 5 groups. There will be 5 groups. Right, class? And we have make a multiplication equation which will be 5 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 10. So coming to the second part of that question, put 10 buns equally on 5 plates. Now again, the total number of buns are 10, and we have to divide equally in 5 groups. The groups is given like 5 plates, and we have to divide it equally. So what will be the equation? 10 in total, and when we divide equally in 5 groups, can you see 5 groups, and this is 10 in total. In each plate you will get 2 buns. In each plate you will get 2 buns. So again 10 in total divided into 5 equal groups. The answer is 2. In each plate there are 2 buns. So this is how we have to make a division sentence. 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 2. Now when 10 comes in 5 table, when 10 comes in 5 table, class, can you see the tables? 5 twos are 5 twos are 10. So you can see the answer, it's 2. Okay, coming to the multiplication equation, there are 2 buns on each plate, class. So there are 2 buns. Read the statement. There are 2 buns on each plate, and there are 5 plates. That means 2 buns will be multiplied by 5 plates. So the equation will be 2 fives are 10. What will be the answer? 2 5 10. So this is how we have to make a multiplication equation. So now we can make a family of multiplication and division facts. This is how we can make a multiplication and division facts. This equation tell you the previous question, about the previous question, that we have make a multiplication equation on page 85, that 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10, and by 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10, we can make a division sentence which is 10 in total. When we circle in a group of 2, we will get 5 groups. And the second equation of multiplication which you have learned in this page, 2 multiplied by 5, 2 buns into 5 plates is equal to 10. And what will be the division sentence? 10 in total number. 10 is the total number, and when you divide equally on 5 plates, each plate will get 2 buns. So this is how we can make a family of multiplication and division facts. So this is the very important thing written here. 5 multiplied by 2 gives you the same value as 2 multiplied by 5, as it gives you the same answer, so they are same. But 10 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2 means when 10 comes in 2 table, 2 5s are 10, is not the same as 2 divided by 10. As we cannot divide this thing, 2 divided by 10, this equation we cannot divide this. So they are not the same. So this is the very important point. You have to keep this in your mind. Okay, class? Now, after this example, we are doing some question, which is question number 2. Look at the picture. Can you see this picture? Make a family of multiplication and division facts. We have to make a family of multiplication and division facts. You can see the smileys. They are divided into 2 groups. You can count them. There are 2 groups, and in each group there are 10 smileys. So the first multiplication equation will be 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. Can you see the table? 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. How we will make this equation? 2 is a group, and in each group there are 10, so the answer will be 20. And by this equation, how we can make the division sentence? 20 in total. And when we make a group of 10, so how many groups we will get? 2. How many groups we will get? 2. 20 is the total number, and when we circle in a group of 10, how many groups will be there? 2. When 20 comes in 10 table, you can see the table. 10 2s are 20. So the answer will be 2. Coming to the second equation, 10 multiplied by 2, 10 is the total number, and how many groups are there? 2. 10 multiplied by 2 is again the answer will be same. We are only flipping the numbers. So 10 2s are 20, and when we have to make the division sentence, 20, and when 20 is dividing into 2 equal groups, in each group there will be 10 smileys. 20 is the total number, and when we are dividing into 2 equal groups, in each group there will be 10 smileys. So when 20 comes in 2 table, 10s are. You can see the tables. Now you're going to get it that how tables are very important. So this is how we can make a family of multiplication and division facts. So we are on workbook page number 97. You have to take out your workbook 2A, and let's start the work. Make sure you have your pencils and erasers. Question number 1. Look at each picture. Make a family of multiplication and division facts. Part A is, can you see how many baskets are there? Yes, there are 3 baskets, and in each basket there are 5 puppies, right? So when we multiply, first of all we have to make a multiplication equation. When we multiply 3 baskets into 5, we are adding up the things, so the equation will be 3 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 15. So can you see this table? 3 5s are 15. So coming to the division sentence, how we can make a division sentence? First of all, we have to write the total number, which is 15, and 15 divided into a group of 5 means if we have to circle in a group of 5, 15 into a group of 5. So can you count how many groups are there? It means that counted how many baskets are there. So who will answer? Yes, the baskets are 3. So there are 3 groups. Is it easy? So when 15 comes in 5 table, when 15 comes in 5 table, 5 3s are 50. Yes, class? Good. Coming to the second equation of multiplication, only we have to flip the numbers, the answer and the value will be the same. There are 5 puppies in each, and we will multiply with 3 baskets. The answer will be the same, 15. So should we make a division sentence from this? 15 is the total number, and when we divide into 3 equal groups, when we divide into 3 equal groups, so in each group how many puppies are there? There are 5 in each group. 15 is the total number. When we divide into the 3 equal groups, in each group there will be 5. When 15 comes in 3 table, I have already underlined that 3 5s are 15. So this is how we have to solve it, and this is how we have to make a family of multiplication and division facts. Part B. Who will count the plates? There are 6 plates, and in each plate there are 2 cupcakes. So let's find out the total number of cupcakes. How we will find out the total number of cupcakes? By multiplying it. Right, class? There are 6 plates. 6 into 2 means 6 multiplied by 2. What are the total number? 12. There are 12 cupcakes in total. So, and if we have to make a division sentence, how we will make it? So 6 2s are 12. Can you see in this table 6 2s are 12? Okay. Moving forward to the division sentence, first of all we have to write 12 is the total number, and when we are dividing into a group of 2 or we are circling in a group of 2, how many groups will be there or how many plates will be there, class? We have already done it. How many plates are there? 6. So there are 6 groups. 12 into a group, 12 divided into a group of 2, the answer will be 6 groups. When 12 comes in 2 table, when 12 comes in 2 table, 2 6 are 12. So our answer is 6. Coming to the next multiplication equation, there are 2 cupcakes in each. and there are 6 plates. 2 into 6, again the answer is 12. What will be the division sentence? Again 12 in total when we divide into 6 equal parts. When we divide into 6 equal groups. 12 divided into 6 equal groups. In each group we will get how many cupcake class? 2. In each plate you can see 2 cupcakes. So this is how you can make a division sentence. 12 is the total number when you have to divide into 6 equal groups. So the answer will be 2. When 12 comes in 2 table, I have already marked it. When 12 comes in 2 table, sorry, the equation is 12 divided into 6, which is equal to 2. When 12 comes in 6 table, I have already underlined that 6 2s are 12. So the answer will be 2. So this is how we have to make a family of multiplication and division facts. Hope you understand it. So we are on page 98, part C. Again we have to make a family of division and multiplication facts. Here are some table of 4 and table of 10. So let's start this question. Can you see how many groups are there? There are 4 groups. And in each group there are 10 faces, right? Animal faces. So it means if we have to make a multiplication equation, what will be the multiplication equation, class? Multiplication means to add up the things, right class? We double up the things. So 4 is the group, and when we multiply into 10, the equation will be 4 multiplied by 10, and it's written here that you can see the table 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. Yes. So the answer is 40, and by this, if we have to make a division sentence, what will be the division sentence? 40 is the total number, class. And when we divide 40 into in a group of 10, means if we circle in a group of 10, 40 divided into a group of 10. So what will be the answer? When 40 comes in 10 table, when 40 comes in 10 table, come on, I have told you in the table. Yes. How many groups will be there? 4. Good. How many groups will be there? 4. So the division sentence will be 40 in total when we are dividing into a group of 10, or if we circle in a group of 10. So how many groups will be there? 4 groups. When 40 comes in 10 table, 4s are. So the second equation, the multiplication equation. Second equation will be 10 multiply by 4, as there are 10 faces in each, and how many groups will be there? So 10 faces multiply by 4 groups, adding up the thing. So the answer will be 40. Again the answer will be 40. This is the second equation of the multiplication. And with this we have to make a division sentence. What will be the division sentence? 14 total, right class? When we are dividing into 4 equal groups, 40 is the total number, and when we are dividing into 4 equal groups, so in each group how many faces are there? 10. 10. So in each group there are 10 faces. So in this equation, when 40 comes in 4 table, I have already underlined that thing. 10s are. So the answer is 10. So this is how we have to solve this question. So that's it for now. Now coming to your self-assessment, the page which you have to do as your homework, page number 105 on your workbook 2A. In this page, you have to memorize the tables. When you will learn the table and when the table is in your mind, you will quickly solve this page. So first revise table, then solve this page. So it will be easy for you. So have a nice day and take care. See you soon in our next lecture.